Have you ever tried pairing your AirPods to your Xbox and realized it doesn't have Bluetooth? Here's the workaround to connect them. Step 1. Grab your Xbox controller and download the Xbox app on your iPhone or Android. Sign in with the same account you use on your console. Step 2. Connect your AirPods to your phone like you normally would through Bluetooth. Step 3. Open the Xbox app, hit the remote play option. If you don't have it, go to the settings and then devices and connections and then remote features and enable remote features. Press enable remote play. Now, hit the remote play option and stream your console to your phone. Now, your AirPods will play all the game audio since the sound is routed through your phone. Step 4. If you also want to use voice chat, make sure your mic access is enabled in the Xbox app settings. So yeah, no native Bluetooth on Xbox, but with the app or a transmitter, your AirPods work just fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.